Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use eClinicalWorks for beginners guide to optimizing your practice management. First is to log in or sign up to your account. Log in using your credentials provided by the admin. Dashboard layout. Familiarize yourself with sections such as Home, Patient tab, and Billing module. Now, scheduling and appointments. Access the scheduler. Navigate to the schedule tab on the dashboard. Use the drag and drop interface to schedule or reschedule appointments. Understand color codes to identify appointment types like new patient, follow-up, and etc. Now set automated appointment reminders to reduce no-shows. Now on managing patient record. Use the search bar to locate patient records by name, ID, or other identifiers. Click on a patient's profile to update demographics, insurance, and contact details. Use templates for SOAP notes, prescriptions, and diagnostic reports. Now for billing and claim management. Navigate to the billing module, review claims for completeness before submission. Record payments manually or through integrated systems. Use the claims tracker to identify denied claims and resubmit them. Generate report to analyze patient volume, revenue trends, quality metrics for compliance with MACRA MIPS. Set up custom dashboard to monitor key performance indicators. Now on ECW tips for optimization. Use keyboard shortcuts, templates, integrated tools, and regular training. Lastly, support and training. Use the help section for step-by-step instruction. Contact ECW support team for technical issues. And lastly, engage with other users for tips and solutions. And that's basically it.